Hey guys, what's up? Tim Queen here, and today I'm going to show you how to write a perfect LinkedIn headline if you're a business owner and you want to attract new clients and customers for your business. The combination of your profile picture and your name and your headline is your first impression that you're generating on LinkedIn. You want to focus on readability of your headline. You want your headline to communicate the value of working with you to a potential customer. The keyword optimization aspect is secondary because you're not going to use your headline for that. You are going to use your entire LinkedIn profile for that. Now what you want to do is you want to create a great first impression if you're showing up in search, but we're going to use your entire LinkedIn profile to make sure that your profile is optimized for LinkedIn SEO. That means we're going to put the right keywords in various places across your entire profile. That means we're starting in your profile intro description. Then we're going to make sure that you have all the relevant keywords in your job title and role title in your experience section. You're going to make sure that each of your experience section has a proper description which contains the right keyword that you want to rank for. And if you have skill-specific keywords, we're also going to make sure that we're adding those in your skills section so you can rank for those. If you have a properly optimized LinkedIn profile from A to Z, you have all the relevant keywords, you have keyword variations that people are actually searching for in your profile. You have switched your profile to a LinkedIn Creator Mode profile where you have the option to add up to 5 hyper-relevant keywords to your profile. Then your profile will show up in search. When you're showing up in search, it's really important to stand out. It means you have to get like a really good picture, and I really recommend to pay a professional photographer for that, which is bring out the best side of you, and then focusing on creating a headline that is really making you stand out from everyone else. That means you're not putting in your job title, you're writing a personalized, custom, bespoke headline for your profile. Now here's a generic headline that you can use as a business owner. You want to introduce yourself and you want to tie what you do to a specific problem and solution pair. Let's say you are working for a company which has developed this amazing artificial intelligence accounting software, which is basically replacing like a human person and can process all of your receipts. People will not read your entire headline. They will just like starting to read it. And if they feel it's not relevant, they will just stop after 2 or 3 words. So you have to get the information across really quickly. So you're starting, we help businesses stop worrying about taxes with our AI-based accounting software. This is a really great headline because it communicates what you're doing and who you are serving. So what you're saying is basically, we help the introduction, businesses, the target audience, then the problem, stop worrying about taxes, and then the solution with our AI-based accounting software. Now this is really clear and really gets to the point straight away, so people can consider if that might be relevant for them. Am I a business owner? No. Then they can stop right there and then, but you're also not going to get contact requests from people who are not relevant. For example, if you were like a recruiter, you don't want to attract necessary business owners. You want to get candidates in a specific industry so you can place them. If you are running an accounting service, you want to get business owners, CFOs, accountants to work with your accounting software. So it's really important to get to the point quickly. Who is it that you are serving? Who do you want to connect with you? And then also like implying, like giving them like a little teaser of what you do. If you have enough characters, I recommend to add a secondary call to action headline right after, which could be, you just add like a divider, just like a slash or something like this, or like a dash. And then you can say what you want them to do. For example, you might say, connect with me to book a free demo, or check out the feature section for a quick demo video. This way, you are giving people direction so they know how they can find the information themselves and what steps they should take. And for example, you also take out the awkwardness. If you tell people to connect with you, then it's quite obvious. People don't have to think, hey, can I send this person connection request? Now, if you want to learn more how to write a perfect LinkedIn headline, I have an entire article about on my website, which you can check out. Link in the description and in the pinned comment below. You can also check out my free LinkedIn hashtag guide, which shows you how to get discovered on LinkedIn organically by just picking the right hashtags that your ideal clients are following. And if you want to get one step further, you can also check out my LinkedIn Accelerator program, which shows you exactly how to build an entire LinkedIn sales funnel from scratch, how to select the right audience, how to plan the right topics, how to use the different content types to get the most amount of engagement, views, comments, likes, shares, and then how to transition people from LinkedIn Observer to visiting your website, signing up for your program, booking a demo, reaching out and becoming a customer. I'm going to put the link in the description, pinned comment below. If you want to get more videos like this, make sure that you subscribe, smash notification bell on, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.